All right, there we go. Letting a motorcycle let the guy walk across the street. They take note there's a camera on them. And we're going to cruise 14 miles per hour, cruise control to get on. A little tricky to get it to go sometimes. I'll do about 11. I'm on 10 right now. No, can't get it to go. So we'll stick at 14 on the throttle by just keeping it that way. Put the signal on, making a left turn, make a right turn. We're prepared to coast as we're heading towards the red light. We're coasting. And we'll just slowly get to the light. And we're ready to go. Lights changing. Off we go. Or kind of like standing still. So let's gain some speed. And now we're able to pass by, no cars behind. Let's make both lights. We're on cruise control, able to pass, no cars behind. And we'll cruise to the light slow. We'll avoid the bump. And we'll head down towards the pier. As we stop, we're going to put it on the kickstand and end the video. So we're just going to roll with the wind. Something happened. Off we go. We'll make the next light. Have a nice ride. I am going like 4 miles per hour. And I am a little hesitant on the throttle to go smoothly. So we're waiting. and we'll wait for our turn. We'll move up out of the bike lane. Here we go, ready for our turn. We're gonna go 19 miles per hour from a dead standstill. We're already like 17, 18, and gonna get off. Of course, we're not gonna make this light. Now we're braking, and then we wait. So you get an idea of the ec8. It's for a larger frame person, up to 262 pounds, 300 pounds maximum, a larger capacity battery. It'll do a good job pushing you. Basically the same motor and everything. Okay, we're right by the car, as you can see. Car is going to win, and we'll just go a little slower. Don't have to be top speed all the time. Let's make this light. Cruising along. Now, I did a video before, my camera mount wasn't tight enough. I'm using a double clamp system, and I Velcro it so it could be secure. I'm trying to hold 15 miles per hour now. I'm on cruise control. I have to hold it for a minimum of 8 seconds. And there I go. I'm going to get off of cruise control because I'm not sure when the next light's going to change. And there we are, we're with the light, so we'll give it some gas and we'll go nice and comfortable. Off we go. Get up to the speed you desire and continue forward. I can't hear the audible beeps of the thing going beep beep. It will warn you that, hey, I'm on cruise control. I can't hear it. Maybe if it vibrated on the handlebar, I would feel it, then I know. But it don't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn here, take a different route. Nice slow turn. Now I did this before. I'll make a turn almost at top speed. Let's make this light. We got the light. And as soon as that school bus goes, we're gonna make that turn. You ready? Here we go. Beautiful turn with the speed. Handles beautifully. Full speed down the block.